Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, traditional vintage style doors in India, they are often characterized by intricate carvings and premium materials like teak or sesame wood and brass or iron fittings. And designs is inspired by regional architectural of heritage, Rajasthan, South India or Mughal influences. These doors are typically use main entrance doors, interior doors or decorative pieces, blending aesthetic with the cultural significance, and common features include like the materials is the teak wood or sesame wood or solid with brass, copper or iron inlays. The designs like floral motifs, geometric patterns, religious symbols, and examples like Ganesh of carvings, arched tops, and hand painted or distressed finishes. The styles like Rajasthani Haveli doors, South Indian temple doors, Shekhawati fresco doors, or Gova's Portuguese and influence designs. The applications like you can use main entrances, temple decor, interior doors, or repurpose as well as out of the furniture. The price range in India of these vintage style doors. The prices for a vintage style doors has vary based on the material, craftsmanship, size and whatever they are antique or reclaimed or newly crafted with a vintage aesthetic. So friends, approximate price ranges based on the available present cost. The basic vintage style doors of wooden doors 8,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees per piece for smaller interior doors like 6 into 4 feet teak or sesame, simple carvings, and mid-range antique or handcrafted doors 45,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees per piece. Wooden doors with brass fittings for intricate carvings 7 into 4 feet, and premium antique doors. These are the 1 lakh to 10 lakhs rupees per piece for larger rate. It's rarely, it's not, it's highly detailing doors like Forster's doors, temple doors, or Rajasthani vintage doors with frames. Customization design doors is starting at the 1000 rupees to 3 lakh rupees per piece for larger hand carved teak doors with the floral geometric designs, often to the including frames. The prices is not approximate prices. The prices is not fixed. It's an approximate price ranges. So friends, it's Purna Darwaza or exotic Indian art, reflecting of 2025 market trends. Cost may be very region, Jodhpur, Sharangapur or Jaipur or vendors for exact pricing contact of suppliers, local suppliers. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. These stunning prices are just of yours. This timeless world of traditional vintage style doors for India.